Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK for GC. Here today we will discuss general knowledge GK questions. Instruction. Please watch the video till end without skipping it, and a request, if you find my channel interesting, useful and informative, please like, share, subscribe it and support us. So let's start today's GK questions discussion. These questions are from Indian Polity and Constitution. Question number 1. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India deal with the right to equality? Option 1 14 to 18, option 2 12 to 25, option 3 19 to 22, option 4 23 to 24. The answer is option 1 14 to 18. Article 14 to 18 of the Indian Constitution deal with the right to equality. It includes equality before the law, prohibition of discrimination and abolition of untouchability and titles. Question number 2. How many types of writs can be issued by the Supreme Court of India for the protection of fundamental rights? Option 1 5, option 2 7, option 3 4, option 4 6. The answer is option 1 5. The Supreme Court of India can issue 5 types of writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? Option 1 to protect the natural environment, option 2 to abide by the constitution, option 3 to cast a vote during elections, option 4 to uphold and protect the unity and integrity of India. The answer is option 3 to cast a vote during elections. Voting is a constitutional right but not a fundamental duty in India. Question number 4. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India abolishes untouchability? Option 1 20, option 2 18, option 3 17, option 4 19. The answer is option 3 17. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. Question number 5. Which of the following was originally a fundamental right but in 1978 was made a legal right as per Article 300A? Option 1 right against exploitation, option 2 right to property, option 3 right to education, option 4 right to freedom of religion. The answer is option 2 right to property. The 44th Amendment Act of 1978 shifted the right to property from a fundamental right to a legal right under Article 300A. Question number 6. Which of the following is not true about right to religion in India? Option 1. A person may choose any religion or may choose not to follow any religion. Option 2. Everyone is free to choose a religion and practice that religion. Option 3. Freedom to profess, follow and propagate any religion. Option 4. Freedom for civil conversation. The answer is option 4. Freedom for forcible conversation. Option 4 is freedom for forcible conversions. Forcible conversions are prohibited as per Indian laws and violate the right to freedom of religion. Question number 7. Which of the following is not correct and correct about fundamental duties? Option 1. They are included by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Option 2. They are non-justiciable in nature. Option 3. They are mentioned under Article 51A of the Constitution. Option 4. Their inclusion in the Constitution was inspired by the American Constitution. The answer is option 4. Their inclusion in the Constitution was inspired by the American Constitution. Fundamental duties were inspired by the Constitution of the Soviet Union, not the American Constitution. Question number 8. In which of the following articles is it mentioned that directive principles are not justiciable? Option 1 Article 17, option 2 Article 40, option 3 Article 38, option 4 Article 39. The answer is option 1 Article 37. Article 37 states that directive principles of state policy DSDP are not enforceable by any court. Question number 9. The fundamental duties are addressed to the option 1 government, option 2 legislature, option 3 state, option 4 citizens. The answer is option 4 citizens. fundamental duties are meant for the citizens of India to follow and observe. Question number 10. The last subsection on the education of children was added in 2002 as a part of the fundamental duties. The same amendment also introduced in the Constitution. Option 1 Article 48A, Option 2 Article 21A, Option 3 Article 32A, Option 4 Article 11A. The answer is option 2 Article 21A. The 86th Amendment Act of 2002 inserted Article 21A, which made education a fundamental right for children between 6 to 14 years. Question number 11. The foremost right among rights to freedom is option 1 right to life and personal liberty, option 2 preventive detention, option 3 freedom to assemble, option 4 right to freedom of speech and expression. The answer is option 1 right to life and personal liberty. Article 21 guarantees the right to life and personal liberty, which is considered the most fundamental of all rights. Question number 12. It is the duty of every citizen to uphold and protect the unity and integrity of India. Option 1 autonomy, option 2 authority, option 3 sovereignty, option 4 privacy. The answer is option 3 sovereignty. Protecting the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India is a fundamental duty under Article 51A. Question number 13. The fundamental duty of a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child or ward between the age of 6 and option 1 20, option 2 18, option 3 14, option 4 16. The answer is option 3 14. As per Article 51A, it is the duty of parents or guardians to provide opportunities for education to children between 6 and 14 years. Question number 14. Fundamental duties are contained within which article of the Constitution of India? Option 1 Article 49A, option 2 Article 51A, option 3 Article 50A, option 4 Article 44. The answer is option 2 Article 51A. Article 51A enumerates the fundamental duties of Indian citizens. Question number 15. To safeguard public property, to abjure violence is in the Indian Constitution. Option 1 fundamental duty, option 2 social ethic, option 3 fundamental right, option 4 directive principle of state policy. The answer is option 1 fundamental duty. Safeguarding public property and abjuring violence is mentioned under Article 51A as a fundamental duty. Question number 16. How many rights are mentioned under right to equality? Option 1 3, option 2 6, option 3 5, option 4 4. The answer is option 3 5. Right to equality consists of 5 articles. Articles 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Question number 17. During emergency, which fundamental rights cannot be suspended? Option 1 Article 14 to 15, option 3 Article 20, 20 and 21, option 3 Article 18 and 19, option 4 Article 16 and 17. The answer is Article 20 and 21. Article 20 and 21 relating to protection in respect of conviction for offences and protection of life and personal liberty cannot be suspended during emergencies. Question number 18. Where does the right of inheritance lead? Option 1 barren land, option 2 land pollution, option 3 division of land, option 4 scarcity of land. The answer is option 3 division of land. The right of inheritance often results in the division of property or land among the heirs. Question number 19. When was the initial 10 fundamental duties added to the Constitution of India? Option 1 1955, option 2 1976, option 3 1947, option 4 1985. The answer is option 2 1976. The 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 added 10 fundamental duties to the Indian Constitution. So thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe GK for GC.